Hi everyone, welcome back to Water. Today I'm going to focus on a simple teacup. Let's get to it. If you guys like this type of videos, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment, and also go and check out my social media. So I'm going to start with the sketch in the top. Then I'm going to make it about 40. Then I'm going to extrude this 2 millimeters. And I'm going to extrude this one as well. About a 45 angle, and then you have to make sure it's a join operation, and I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to come for the bottom face, create an offset. I'm going to put it -2, -2.5. Then I'm going to extrude this. Gonna make these edges smooth, just good enough to have a flat space, so when you hold the bottom it stays steady. So after you're done with that, I'm going to extrude this to be 22 millimeters. Make sure it's a join operation, then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to make this a little bit smooth. Click OK, and then I'm going to make this edge smooth as well. Once you're happy with your styling, just click OK. So what I'm going to do is cut this body. To do that, I'm going to create an offset plan. I'm going to move it up to here, up to this line. Then I'm going to go split the body, and I'm going to select the splitting tool here, and I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to hide the construct, create about 1.5, and then I'm going to smooth these edges just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to create the handle. So when it comes to designing the handle, you can be creative and you can choose your own way. So there's going to be a mini teacup, so I'm going to focus on a 1 finger measurement. So you can also make changes after you do the sketch for what your likings are or what your project is related to. After you're done with that, I'm going to create a pipe here. going to make sure it's 3.10 and it's a new body, the operation. I think 3 will work. Looks good. And what I'm going to do is going to hide this, and I'm going to extrude this. Click OK, and then I'm going to do the same thing for this part as well. Okay, so I'm going to go to combine, select this, I'm going to select that, make sure it's a cut. I'm going to flip that too. Click OK. Make sure that you keep the body tool, so, and then I'm going to remove this particular part. And next I'm going to make sure this is a joint, and then I'm going to mix a little bit of modification to here. Right, so this two I'm gonna make it as a joint as well. Gonna extrude this a little bit. All right. Another one we're gonna do is we're gonna put a wording to the cup. So I'm gonna start with the sketch. Gonna put it right here. And click OK. For that, I'm gonna extrude it. I'm gonna change it from object, and you have to select your object. Select the profile. Gonna keep it 0.5 or 0.2, and I'm gonna make sure it's a join operation for this project. I'm gonna click OK. Alright, so now I'm gonna do a real fast render for this. I'm gonna first set up with my environment. Make sure the shadows are in position. So for rendering, we're gonna use aluminium for this one. Select the whole body. Then I'm gonna make that something like that. Create another duplicate. Select the faces. Alright, if you guys like this type of videos, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment, and also show me your support for checking out my social media. Have a good day.